How to remain happy even when busy with work. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remain happy even when busy with work. First, you must stay calm throughout the project you are working on. You should never panic and worry about how things will turn out. Worrying about something doesn't mean you're doing anything. In fact, you're taking energy and focus away from the actual task at hand, which will lead to you doing lower quality work. Second, you need to be confident in your own abilities. Too many people start questioning their abilities, especially if they complete a task quickly. They start doubting whether they put enough effort into their work. As a result, they'll start slowing themselves down on purpose, thinking they're doing higher quality work because they are taking their time to do it, when this is not the case. Being confident in your own abilities will ensure that you are doing high-quality work in the shortest amount of time possible. Third, think of how you will feel and the rewards you will get once you have finished the project or task at hand. You will feel a sense of relief and satisfaction once you have completed that project or task, which is all the more reason why you want to complete it as well and as quickly as possible. In addition, you will be able to spend your time with people you want to spend time with, such as family and/or friends, and doing things you want to be doing, such as leisurely activities, once you have the project or task completed, which should reinforce your desire to complete it as well and as quickly as possible. Fourth, you should take regular breaks and not overwork yourself to exhaustion. People get flustered and even angry when they have to rush through something or have to work continuously in order to meet deadlines. They are not able to take their time and pace themselves through a project when they have to rush through it or work non-stop until they have it completed. If you work at a solid pace and stay focused throughout, you can take regular breaks that will allow you to remain calm and happy throughout the entire project, which will lead to you completing your best work in the shortest amount of time possible. Now you know how to remain happy even when you are busy with work.